Kissing Sono. Kini sing Atisa Jemo Kawatongman student organization IPFT ni kaisa allied organization banner tolawo tongmani sing tini hai salo sing sabai rekha sinoro buskango joto central committee member tongwa tin president AGS tai committee central committee thanayo sing committee hoite sing kaisa meeting kaisa ni student organization hoite central committee meeting I executive committee was division Romlaikha Joto entire 21 divisions tai central committee Joto existence tongnai rok aron sidan Romlaikha sing buskang ni movement tai Tipra line no bahke tumrani but greater Tipra line no bahke acquire khainani abono toinai sing alochona khlaimani bisingo sing abono lukha Maharaja ni leadership ni bisingtei sing abo sobo mona dongo abo ni bagai sing ini ni sini sing Atisa result painai sebagai sing ketar motha ba Tipra motha sing join disinai tai kebang motha romo angko kobna musungo cikon tongnai rono sing under Bubagra ni bising tike sing Thansa ni bising tike maidomo sing agi rogo sing saimalia baksa borok bujilia umi tongmano aborongno pesa one subine sing greater Thansa ni bagai greater interest Tipra ni bagai joton abo bai paite saw abono ani musungmu tabo abo simia sini thinan ni sini bobishot no sing nasi thangkangke sing kuno jalati pano sing koton hojangani motok grei sini Bubagra no kare Bubagra ka kaisa khani Bubagra kaisa thinang ni bagai sini Tipra ni bagai kaisa leadership hero bo khlai kyang ka se mungsa kaisa sing mane abono sing bisas khainai sing Atisa ro abu pai dene o salo sing IPF de Tipra Mothani thani sing join khaite asima
Not for IPF balance, IPF or how the
already sing meeting of this naka IPF ni bising of sing saklai jak tongo sini bising of pok tongo abono no sing salai nai sing sidan toklai nai sing khaite.
So you say you are joining with Tipra Mothani. Previously you were working with IPF. Do you think the leaders from the IPF have failed to meet the demand which was raised 3 to 5 years back while they contested in the 2018 election? Also the recent elections in the TTDC where we have seen the youth have come in support of Tipra. So do you think these two reasons are why you have joined the Tipra?
That is not accurate, but in some constant there is the truth behind it. But the thing is, the IPFT worked tirelessly for the liberation of Tipra land for 11 years. We appreciate on that deals that they have done. But on occasions of 11 years, we have seen few movements only organized by IPFT. That due to lack of the movement, that the demand is rises, and after that, the Tiprasa inquire or in which place we to settle. On that occasion, we observed that is a curiously observed and viewpoint that we need a greater movement for the greater interest for any upliftment of our Tiprasa. We need the movement that need to secure so early. So IPFT can fix out their target, and they have come upon on 2018 as a part of the government. Due to that they delay, or might be they forget the movement. Due to that we just left it.
So your comment was saying that IPF has failed reservation to fulfill its demands, Tipra line.
Yeah, of course, that every one of the Tiprasa people they know that the IPFT demand has become declining day by day, and due to that we compels to join to another organization so that we need to upgrade more movement for the betterment of the Tiprasa. and for the liberation of Greater Tipra land or Greater Tipra land as well.
How are you looking forward to work with Tipra?
Pardon? I can't.
How are you looking forward to work with your team with Tipra?
I hope so, under the banner of the Bubagra, we hope so there will be a unique and there will be a sensational in viewpoint and further in future also. And we hope that under his leadership will surely get our demands into positivity.